Hello dear loopers. In this video, I would like to show you how you can use and take advantage of the custom fields in order to qualify some replies and automate whatever you want based on that. All right, so let's go. As you can see here, I have a very quick sequence of two emails, one email and a follow-up that is already set up, and I will already turn it on. On the other side, I would like to create a new field. To do that, I go inside the settings, custom fields, and I will create on my contacts a new field that I can name reply qualification. I will make that field as a multiple option field, and I will say set up a very basic example that will be interested, not interested. And I will start with that. You can, of course, add as many options as you want in order to match all the scenarios from your prospects' replies. I will save that. And now that I do have this custom field set up, it should be available on my contact. So if I go here on a specific contact here, you can see that I have now the reply qualification field that is available for me here. So next step for me is to enroll myself inside my campaign and wait from myself to reply. So it seems that my prospect replied to my email and he looks pretty interested in my solution. So I can actually find the reply also in Overloop. And as I did create a custom fields to qualify my replies, I can open my contact card here and click on edit, and I can qualify the reply. But I don't want to do that immediately. I first want to do a quick setup in order to, based on the qualified or not qualified reply, do something. So let's set up a new campaign that will be send emails and follow up to qualified it. I will set that campaigns to have an automatic enrollment strategy, and the trigger should be when a specific field is set or updated. My field is reply qualification. If the value becomes interested, then enroll that specific contact inside my campaign. As you can see here, contact will be enrolled when the reply qualification is set or updated as a new value, in this case, interested. I can click on next and build a sequence. Let's book the meeting. And if they don't reply to that, send an automatic follow-up. And I can save my campaign. Click on next and it on. So now I have two things. I have the first campaigns running and waiting for someone to reply. And I have a second campaign waiting for me to qualify someone. And if they are qualified, well, they will receive my automatic sequence. So the next step is to test it. I can now go back to my conversation, go on his card, and edit now the reply and set it as interested and save. Thanks to that, he should have been right away enrolled in my second campaign, which is let's set up a meeting together. I can check that here. This contact just has been put in the waiting queue to receive my first email and will receive my first email soon and the follow-up if he doesn't reply. And that's it. This is how you can take advantage of the custom fields and set up multiple campaigns in order to qualify some replies and send automatic messages accordingly. I hope it helps. Don't hesitate to drop me an email if you have any questions or need guidance to set up your campaigns. I will be happy to help. Happy prospecting!